Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of two workspace powerhouses that are reshaping how teams collaborate in 2025. Monday.com and Notion represent fundamentally different approaches to work management, each with passionate user bases and distinct strengths. Whether you're a startup looking for your first project management tool or an enterprise seeking to consolidate your digital workspace, this deep dive will help you make an informed decision. We'll explore everything from core philosophies and pricing to real-world use cases and user experiences. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform aligns best with your team's working style, budget, and long-term goals. Let's begin this journey to find your perfect workspace solution. At their core, Monday.com and Notion represent two completely different philosophies about how work should be organized. Monday.com positions itself as a work operating system. Think of it as a sophisticated, pre-built framework designed specifically for structured project and workflow management. It's like getting a fully furnished office where everything has its place and purpose. Notion, on the other hand, is the ultimate blank canvas, an all-in-one workspace built on a flexible block-based system that lets you create exactly what you need. It's like getting an empty warehouse and the tools to build your perfect workspace from scratch. The fundamental question you need to ask yourself is, do you want a powerful, ready-to-use project management tool that guides your processes? Or do you prefer a flexible, build-it-yourself environment where you have complete creative control? Understanding who gravitates toward each platform reveals a lot about their strengths. Monday.com attracts teams that value efficiency and quick implementation. These are typically cross-functional teams in marketing, sales, and HR who need a structured, visually engaging platform for project tracking without the complexity of extensive customization. They want to get up and running quickly with minimal training time. Organizations that choose Monday.com often have diverse skill levels and need something that works well for both technical and non-technical team members. Notion users, conversely, tend to be teams and individuals who prize flexibility above all else. They're often startups, creative agencies, and knowledge workers who want a single tool for documentation, wikis, databases, and light project management. These users are typically willing to invest significant time upfront to build their perfect workspace and prefer minimalist, highly adaptable environments. When it comes to pure project management capabilities, Monday.com was built for this exact purpose, and it shows. The platform offers full-featured project management right out of the box, with dedicated tools like native Gantt charts, task dependencies, comprehensive time tracking, and sophisticated workload management. You can switch between multiple project views, Kanban boards, timelines, calendars, with just a click, and everything is designed to give project managers the control and visibility they need. Monday.com is undoubtedly the clear winner for dedicated project management due to its robust, native feature set. Notion approaches project management differently, leveraging its powerful database functionality to create flexible project views. While you can create Kanban boards, timelines, and calendars in Notion, these require manual setup and configuration. Notion lacks some of the advanced native project management features that Monday.com provides, often requiring creative workarounds to achieve similar functionality. This is where Notion absolutely dominates the landscape. Notion's core strength lies in its ability to serve as a powerful, collaborative wiki and comprehensive knowledge base. The platform's interconnected page system allows you to create seamless links between different pieces of content, making it incredibly easy to build a structured, searchable company knowledge hub that grows organically with your organization. Teams use Notion to create everything from employee handbooks and process documentation to product specifications and meeting notes, all interconnected in an intuitive web of information. Notion is the unrivaled leader in this category, and it's not even close. Monday.com, while offering a collaborative document editor called WorkDocs for creating project plans and notes, is simply not designed to be a wiki or knowledge-based solution. While functional for basic documentation needs, it lacks the depth and interconnectedness that makes Notion so powerful for knowledge management. Monday.com shines brightest when it comes to automation capabilities. The platform features an incredibly user-friendly, intuitive automation builder that uses simple, if-then logic to streamline repetitive tasks. With a wide array of pre-built automation recipes, teams can quickly set up workflows without any coding experience. The no-code approach makes these powerful automations accessible to all team members, regardless of their technical background. Whether you want to automatically assign tasks based on priority, send notifications when deadlines approach, or update project status based on completion percentages, Monday.com makes it simple and reliable. Notion has been expanding its automation features, but they remain generally less robust and more complex to set up compared to Monday.com's streamlined approach. Notion still relies more heavily on manual, user-driven processes for connecting pages and managing data flows, though this is slowly improving with each update. Monday.com takes a commanding lead in the integrations arena with its mature ecosystem of hundreds of third-party business applications. The platform seamlessly connects with essential tools like Slack, Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoom, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and countless others. This extensive marketplace of integrations means Monday.com can easily fit into your existing tech stack without forcing you to abandon tools your team already knows and loves. The platform also offers a powerful API for custom integrations when needed. Notion, while it supports integrations with core productivity tools and offers its own robust API, maintains a smaller marketplace with fewer native integrations compared to Monday.com's extensive ecosystem. However, Notion's integrations tend to be deeper and more thoughtfully implemented, focusing on quality over quantity. For teams that rely heavily on a diverse set of business tools, Monday.com's broader integration ecosystem provides more immediate value and flexibility. Monday.com is renowned for its vibrant, colorful, and remarkably intuitive interface that makes project management feel less like work and more like an engaging experience. The platform provides a guided onboarding process that gets teams productive quickly with minimal training required. Thanks to its structured nature and rich template library, new users can start managing projects effectively within hours rather than days. The visual design uses colors, icons, and layouts that make complex project data easy to understand at a glance. Notion takes a completely different approach with its clean, minimalist interface that provides users with a blank slate for creativity. While this flexibility is powerful, it comes with a significantly steeper learning curve. New users often feel overwhelmed by the endless possibilities and need time to understand how to build effective workflows. However, once mastered, many users find Notion's interface more personally satisfying because it reflects their unique working style. The AI landscape shifted dramatically in 2025, with Notion making strategic moves that position it as the leader in this category. In May 2025, Notion discontinued its separate AI add-on and integrated comprehensive AI features directly into its business and enterprise plans, making artificial intelligence a core differentiator rather than an expensive extra. Notion AI now offers sophisticated features like automatic meeting notes transcription, intelligent content generation, and advanced data analysis capabilities. The AI feels deeply integrated into the workflow rather than bolted on as an afterthought. Monday.com also offers integrated AI features, including task summarization, natural language filter queries, and automated project suggestions. While Monday's AI is designed to be accessible and user-friendly across all teams, Notion's deeper AI integration and specialized features give it a clear edge for users on higher-tier plans, who want cutting-edge artificial intelligence capabilities built into their workspace. Monday.com delivers a superior mobile experience with a highly rated app that successfully mirrors the desktop experience while optimizing for mobile interaction patterns. Users can update tasks, view comprehensive dashboards, collaborate with team members, and access most of Monday.com's core functionality effectively while on the go. The mobile app maintains the platform's signature visual appeal and intuitive navigation, making it easy for team members to stay productive whether they are in the office or working remotely. Notion's mobile app, while functional and regularly updated, can feel less fluid to navigate, especially when dealing with complex, deeply nested page structures. The app works well for basic tasks like reviewing documents and making quick updates, but the full power of Notion's customization capabilities is better experienced on desktop. For teams with mobile-heavy workflows or remote workers who rely heavily on their phones, Monday.com's mobile experience provides a more seamless and intuitive solution. Monday.com's pricing structure starts with a free plan that supports up to 2 users with limited boards and basic features, perfect for small teams just getting started. The basic plan begins at $9 per user per month when billed annually, providing essential project management tools. The standard plan at $12 per user monthly adds important features like Gantt charts and calendar views that many teams consider essential. The Pro plan, priced at $19 per user monthly, includes advanced features like comprehensive time tracking and workload management that larger teams often require. Finally, the Enterprise plan offers custom pricing with advanced security, reporting, and governance features for large organizations. One crucial detail to remember: all paid plans require a minimum of 3 users, which can be a consideration for very small teams. This pricing structure reflects Monday.com's focus on team collaboration rather than individual productivity, making it most cost-effective for growing teams that can utilize its collaborative features. Notion's pricing approach emphasizes accessibility and gradual scaling. The free plan is remarkably generous, offering unlimited pages and blocks for individual use, though team features are limited. This makes it excellent for personal productivity and small team experimentation. The Plus plan starts at $10 per user monthly when billed annually, including unlimited file uploads and 30-day page history, essential features for growing teams. The Business plan, priced at $20 per user per month annually, represents significant value as it includes the complete Notion AI suite that was previously a separate expensive add-on. This integration, effective May 2025, makes the total cost more predictable and affordable for teams wanting AI capabilities. The Enterprise plan offers custom pricing for large organizations requiring advanced security and administrative controls. The key insight is that Notion RA's integration into the Business plan makes it a compelling option for teams that want both workspace flexibility and cutting-edge AI features without paying separately for both. When analyzing cost-effectiveness, the choice depends heavily on your primary use case and team size. Monday.com's per-user pricing can become a significant expense for larger teams, but it delivers exceptional value for dedicated project management needs. The minimum user requirement for paid plans can be a barrier for very small teams of 1 to 2 people who might not need all the collaborative features. However, for teams that can utilize Monday.com's structured project management features, automation capabilities, and extensive integrations, the Standard and Pro plans offer more specialized functionality per dollar spent. Notion, while offering a more generous free plan, becomes more expensive at the business level, $20 per user monthly, but includes comprehensive AI features that would cost extra elsewhere. For teams primarily needing a knowledge base with light project management, Notion provides excellent value. For dedicated project management with visual reporting and automation, Monday.com offers better cost-effectiveness. The decision should align with whether your team prioritizes project management tools or flexible workspace capabilities. Choose Monday.com when your team needs to manage structured, visual projects with clear deadlines, dependencies, and deliverables. It's ideal for organizations that want a tool easily adopted by both technical and non-technical team members without extensive training. Monday.com excels for teams requiring powerful, no-code automations to streamline repetitive workflows and reduce manual overhead. Marketing teams tracking campaigns, construction companies managing projects, and sales teams monitoring pipelines find Monday.com's structured approach invaluable. Choose Notion when you need a single, unified platform that combines project management with extensive knowledge management and documentation capabilities. It's perfect for teams that prefer building their own workspace and are willing to invest time upfront to create something perfectly tailored to their unique needs. Startups creating their first processes, creative agencies managing both projects and client knowledge, and growing companies that want one tool for everything find Notion's flexibility transformative. The choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize immediate productivity or long-term customization. Understanding where each platform sits on the flexibility spectrum helps clarify your choice. Monday.com occupies the middle ground. It's flexible enough to accommodate different workflows and can be customized with various board types, automation rules, and integration options, but it maintains enough structure to provide helpful guardrails for project management. This balance makes it accessible to teams who want some customization without the complexity of building everything from scratch. Notion sits at the far end of the flexibility spectrum, offering a completely blank canvas with virtually limitless possibilities for customization and configuration. This ultimate flexibility means you can create exactly the workspace you envision, but it requires significant effort, time, and often multiple iterations to build and maintain a truly structured, efficient system. The trade-off is clear. Monday.com gives you structure with some flexibility, while Notion gives you complete freedom with the responsibility of creating your own structure. Your team's tolerance for complexity and desire for control should guide this fundamental choice. Both platforms handle growth well, but they scale in fundamentally different ways that reflect their core philosophies. Monday.com excels at departmental scaling through its Work OS approach, offering specialized product lines for different business functions, work management for project teams, sales CRM for revenue teams, and dev for development teams. This departmental approach means different teams can use Monday.com in their specialized context while maintaining integration and visibility across the organization. The platform provides robust enterprise features, including advanced security controls, comprehensive governance tools, and detailed reporting capabilities that large organizations require. Notion scales by expanding workspace capabilities and offering increasingly sophisticated collaboration features, security controls, and AI functionality in its business and enterprise plans. Notion provides powerful administrative tools for managing user access, permissions, and content governance at scale. The key difference is that Monday.com scales through specialized tools for different functions, while Notion scales through deeper, more sophisticated workspace capabilities that serve the entire organization from a single, unified platform. Monday.com's greatest strengths include its remarkably easy-to-use, highly visual interface that makes project management accessible to everyone on your team. The robust automation capabilities eliminate repetitive tasks without requiring technical expertise, while dedicated project management features like Gantt charts, dependencies, and workload management provide everything project managers need. The extensive integration ecosystem means Monday.com plays well with your existing tools. However, Monday.com is less flexible than Notion for documentation and knowledge management needs, and the per-user pricing can become expensive for large teams. It's also not designed to be a native wiki solution. Notion's ultimate flexibility makes it incredibly powerful for teams willing to invest in customization, and its excellence in documentation and wiki creation is unmatched. As a true all-in-one workspace with powerful database capabilities, it can replace multiple tools. However, Notion has a steeper learning curve, lacks some advanced project management features that dedicated PM tools provide, offers less robust automation options, and can feel overwhelming for new users who just want to start working immediately. User testimonials reveal the practical differences between these platforms in real-world scenarios. A Monday.com user explains, "We needed a tool that all of our teams could use without extensive training. Monday.com's visual boards and automations made it easy for us to get everyone on the same page and start working immediately." This reflects Monday.com's strength in rapid deployment and user adoption across diverse teams. A Notion user shares, "Notion is our company's brain. We use it for everything from our product roadmap to our employee handbook. The ability to link pages together makes it the perfect single source of truth." This highlights Notion's power as a comprehensive knowledge management system. Perhaps most insightfully, a neutral user observes, "Both tools are powerful, but they solve different problems." Monday.com is for getting work done efficiently. Notion is for documenting the work and preserving the knowledge behind it. This distinction captures the fundamental difference. Monday.com optimizes for execution and productivity, while Notion excels at information organization and knowledge preservation. The choice between Monday.com and Notion represents more than just selecting software. It's a fundamental decision about how your team approaches work, collaboration, and information management. Monday.com is the structured, comprehensive solution for teams that prioritize work management, offering a complete toolbox with clear instructions for immediate productivity. It's designed for teams who want to focus on executing projects rather than building systems. Notion is the flexible, blank canvas solution for teams that want to create a truly customized workspace that perfectly matches their unique needs and processes. It's ideal for organizations that view their workspace as a competitive advantage and are willing to invest in building something specifically tailored to their culture and workflows. This choice will influence not just your daily operations, but also how your team thinks about organization, documentation, and collaboration. Consider not just your current needs, but also how you want your team's relationship with technology and information to evolve over time. Our recommendation is straightforward. If project management, workflow automation, and visual reporting are your primary needs, Monday.com provides a more powerful, user-friendly, and immediately productive solution. If your team's top priority is creating a unified space for documentation, knowledge management, and highly customizable databases with some project management capabilities, Notion is the unrivaled choice. However, the best way to make this decision is through direct experience. We strongly recommend signing up for free trials of both platforms to experience how each one feels with your actual work and team dynamics. Pay attention to which platform your team naturally gravitates toward and which one feels more intuitive for your specific workflows. Define your primary needs clearly. Is it structured project management or flexible knowledge management? Try both platforms with real projects and team members. Then make your choice based on which platform best aligns with your team's working style, technical comfort level, and long-term organizational goals.